Hello dear Phasmatic friends. Today, equations with radicals, but with extraneous solutions. Follow me please. First of all, we have to identify that is one equation with square roots. And remember the steps. You have to isolate first one square root on the left side and to pass everything to the right side. After that, we square both sides, and remember, square root squared, goodbye, and we have x plus 1. And on the other side, pay attention, be careful, because here you have a binomial squared. So it is the first term squared plus twice the first time the second, and plus the second term squared. Now we simplify a little bit. We copy everything, but here square root with the square will give us x minus 1. Now we have to isolate again one square root on the, for example, right side, and everything will pass to the other side. So we pass the 4, the x, the negative 1 to the left side, changing the signs. So we're going to have negative 4 minus x plus 1 plus x plus 1. Here we see that negative x plus x, 0. Negative 4 plus 1, negative 2 equals to 4 times the square root of x minus 1. And remember that after that, because we have one square root, we have to square both terms, both sides of the equation. So negative 2 squared is 4. And here 4 squared is 16 times square root squared gives us the same expression but without the square root. Finally, a very simple equation. 4 is equal to 16 times x, 16x, 16 times negative 1, negative 16. And here we write 4 plus 16 equal to x, 16x. Because we're going to leave alone the x. Finally, 4 plus 16, 20 equals to 16x, and the x will be equal to 20 over 16. Remember, very simple equation. We have seen that in another videos. Finally, we get x equals to 5 over 4 because we simplify this fraction. But now, the mystery of this kind of equations. Yes, it is very important to verify answers when you have radical equations. And here, if you replace the x with 5 over 4, you are going to see that the expression is false. You have a false expression. You worked perfectly, but when you work with radical equations, you can find extraneous solutions. So this solution is not the solution of the equation. We have found an extraneous solution. So this equation has no solution. Thank you very much, dear Phasmatic friends. See you next time.